Anything that solves a medical problem that really bothers people in one way or the other and has the science to back it up is a good thing. This, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet.
Did you ever have the hiccups? How do you solve the hiccups? Hiccups be gone. It's called the HiccAway. It's designed by a doctor who published research about it in the whole 9 yards. Every time I've ever had the hiccups, my wife, who gets the hiccups a lot, we keep one of these in the medicine closet, and you get it, drink through it like a straw, just like it looks. With water, it works. I promise you, it works.